another drive with 12.52. This is a short one, but I've had a few. Oh yes, missing the speed hump entirely. Ooh, it tapped brake for a second. You would think it would have just held it for a minute. Whenever that went at 30, that's about average in my neighborhood when it doesn't see the speed hump. So yeah, I haven't driven with 12.52 too much because it's very new, but definitely having a few issues here and there. So I'm gonna record a lot of these short drives too, just in case. Also, I've got the speed offset set back to automatic. When I upgraded the software, a little pop-up. Ooh, look, the dip there. Ugh. It wasn't horrible, but could have taken that a little easier. Anyways, when I did the upgrade, the software prompted me, I guess, asking if I wanted to put it back to the automatic offset. So I figured, let me try it again, see how it goes. Typically, I don't have any problem with it. But I have seen it do 20 over when it feels like that's the flow of traffic. But if there's no other cars, 20 over, you're just begging for a ticket around here. Perfect. So here's another thing that I mentioned in one of my earlier videos. I mentioned that I had set the dash cam to manual so that I could control when I record clips by pressing the dash cam icon down here. But after seeing a few posts on social media where people have gotten in accidents and thankfully their dash cam activated automatically, I figured I should leave it on automatic. So what I'm trying is, and what I just confirmed, is that even on automatic mode, if you press the dash cam icon, it'll still manually save a clip. So it's really the best of both worlds. You should leave that on. You should leave your dash cam set to automatic and just leave all the options. Set it for on honk, so if you honk your horn, it immediately saves. But you can also and always save a dash cam clip by pressing the button, which is more useful for someone who posts videos like myself, because I don't just want to save a clip if I'm in an accident. I want to save a clip maybe just because it was a close call and I want to highlight it in my video. So it kind of gives me all options. Now, this is taking me to McDonald's. It obviously doesn't know I'm going to the drive-thru. It seems awful confused. What is it doing? This is turning into a really interesting video. I'm in a Aldi's parking lot and this thing has no idea what it's doing. It's like stopped now. Curious to see what it'll do, but now I'm on guard. I think it sees the really badly painted arrows. So you can see them better here. It's two ways, one arrow going each way, but those were really badly painted and we were getting a glare probably off the paint. I suspect it didn't know if it could go forward and probably was thinking it was maybe a one-way and was contemplating turning around. I give it the benefit of the doubt there and suggest that that was not autopilot freaking out as an error. I think it thought it was going the wrong way in a one-way and was trying to decide. Alright, on the way home. I just washed the car yesterday and I even Windexed the camera locations, but there was quite a bit of, it's fall time, so there was still quite a bit of tree sap or something falling on the windshield. So let's see if the drive home might be a little bit better. Alright, engaging FSD. No. Disengagement on that one. Wow. FSD missed the median and is about to turn the wrong way on in the lane. All right, maybe I better double check all my cameras. I don't know if this is a camera issue today or the sun is at a bad angle for glare, but man, I've actually, I hate to say this, but I've noticed more issues with 12.5.2 and even 12.5.1.3. You know, 12.5.1 and 12.5.1.1 were, I think, really great, and I've just seen a lot more issues since then. It's kind of disappointing, and I'm certain they'll figure it out. So I don't want to be a doomsdayer or a naysayer, but definitely having some issues. I'm a little bit more on guard with 12.5.2. And it's a struggle too with what to let it figure out for the video, but also to making sure I get home safe. I have a suspicion though it's a glare. I'll check the cameras, and maybe I'll put a note at the end of this video if I feel like the cameras were maybe obstructed by tree sap this morning, and maybe I should have cleaned them again. We'll see. And okay, I'm gonna slow down for that one. FSD did not see or slow down for a speed hump in the road. Just when I thought it was better. Let's try this again. Yeah, it is a bit disappointing because I felt like with 12.5.1, I was ready to like show that to people and you know, feel like disengagements are at a minimum. And I don't know, I feel like if people are going to demo the software now, try it for a month, they might just have too many disengagements at this point to make it feel worthwhile, which is a shame. I know this update was supposed to go up to 3 times as many miles without disengagements, but it's just not been my experience. And also, I don't like this. I still don't like its automatic speed settings. I feel like it's just a little too fast. Almost like it tries to be as fast as it thinks traffic will allow. I don't know why it's even asking that. I really need to check these cameras. Alright, well, again, I'll be going to a manual speed offset. This automatic speed offset's just a little too aggressive for me. Alright, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.